Hey guys, today we got the 2014 Lexus LS460. Like always, we're going to do a complete detail review of the interior, exterior. We're going to start up the engine and listen to the exhaust sounds. The LS460 comes with a Smart Key Access keyless entry. All you have to do is have the key in your pocket or purse and stand close to the door, slightly tap the button and the door will unlock at ease. Here's a quick view at the front seats. Start off with a nice function. Just lightly push the door and it will automatically suck close with power suction. Alright, we are in the driver's seat. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starting from the left, we have the temperature meter, the RPM and speed odometer, and the fuel meter all the way to the right. Let's go ahead and give it a few revs here. Alright, let's see what we have on the steering wheel here. Leather and wood, feels very nice. Alright. On the left we have the volume control. And on the right we have the phone and voice command. And I forgot to mention earlier, the LS460 does have push start. All you have to do is hold out the brake and press the ignition button. Here's the standard light control. Alright, the LS460 have automatic driver and passenger side mirror folding control with adjustment setting. Here are the automatic high beams, heated steering wheel option, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist. The AC vent. The LS460 has a massive 12.3-inch navigation system and audio display, which is divided into navigation view on the left and audio control on the right. The system can be controlled by using the multi-directional control right below. I'll show you guys in a second here. Here it is. To select, all you have to do is press down on the controller. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the dash here. AC vents, complete dual climate control, CD player, and right down below here we have two cup holders and a 12-volt AC outlet. Let's go ahead and put the car into reverse. And you're going to notice that right when you put it into reverse, the camera view automatically display on the screen. And we can switch it to standard mode. Push up and down to change gears, and the display will show on the odometer, nearby the odometer. And again, the controller for the navigation system and the audio system. And here we have the option to put the car into sports mode, econ, or snow mode. And here we have the AC heat control for both driver and passenger seat. The middle buttons to control the rear windshield sun cover. Here it is. Alright, press it again to close. The middle armrest compartment have a good amount of room in here. You have the auxiliary input and the USB input and another 12-volt AC outlet. Let's take a closer look at the glove compartment. It's bigger than most other Lexus IS models. And here we have the trunk lock button. Press that and you will not be able to open the trunk. And the front passenger seat, you have full power controls. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at what's under the hood. Under the hood, the LS460 has a 4.6-liter, 386 horsepower V8 engine, pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which deliver an invigorating blend of acceleration, seamless shifting, control, and fuel efficiency. It gets 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. And now we'll take a closer look at the exterior. The design grille is the most obvious exterior design featured on the LS. The LS460 has high-intensity discharge by xenon headlamps with dynamic auto leveling and integrated LED fog lamps and turn signals adapted from lighting systems. It also has LED daytime running lights, windshield wipers, has rain sensing features which turns on intermittently according to the amount of rainfall. On top of the LS460, it has a one-touch open and close power tilt and slide moonroof. And here for a closer view of the headlamps and the LED white strips. Both the driver and the passenger side view mirrors have turn light signals. Let's go to the rear and take a look at the rear. With the rear cross traffic alert, when you're backing out of a parking lot, the available rear cross traffic alert is designed to notify you of approaching vehicles that might be out of the camera view. It will sound a buzzer and display warning lights in the side mirror if the vehicle is detected. In addition, the LS460 has blind spot monitoring. Visionary technologies are constantly scanning the road around you to help bring you a peace of mind. The available blind spot monitor is designed to alert you if it detects vehicle in your blind spots. And here for a final view of the rear exhaust pipe before we go ahead and take a look at the wheels. The LS460 contains 4 hollow chamber 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with liquid graphite finish. The front is equipped with a 4-piston calipers with a slightly larger 13.1-inch ventilated disc, while the rear is equipped with 2 piston calipers with 12.3-inch ventilated disc. And here's a view of the side view mirror signal lights. Unlike anything else in the world, the stunning design of the available Shimamoku Expresso wood trim steering wheel and matching interior trim combine the organic feel of natural wood with a layered look that evokes modern art. On the door, we have up to 3 memories for easy seats readjustments. Right down below here, we have all 4 automatic power window control in the side compartment. Lexus premium sound system speakers. Here's a look at the Lexus brand found on both driver and passenger side. The driver's seat is fully adjustable. You can adjust the lumbar extension. And they also have all the basic side slide up, back, and tilt functions. And here We can see the hood, gas, and trunk control. Let's go ahead and jump into the rear passenger seat and see what it feels like. And same as the front doors, passenger doors are also loaded with the power suction, which automatically seals the door for you. Let's see here. Alright, looks very spacious. Let's go ahead and jump in, see what it feels like. And wow, feels very comfortable, a lot of room for leg space. Here we have 2 additional AC vents, and right down below we have another 12 volt AC outlet, excuse me. And now let's take a look at the beautiful front view from the back. Simply gorgeous. All right, let's see what else we have here. It's really nice, really clean. The middle arm compartment. Okay, some space here for additional stuff. Two cup holders. And here we have a nice little mirrors for the passengers. The light control. And finally, let's take a look at the trunk. There's plenty of space here. All right, the cargo net, trunk mat, and the trunk is all automatic open and close. Simply press the button and there it goes, automatically close. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you would like to see more car reviews, please subscribe to my channel and give my videos a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video review.